Thank you very much. Let me introduce myself real quick. My name is Michael Falkensteiner, and part of the Onshape technical services team. And Onshape is a product that is part of PTC. So my role here, basically, I'm a mechanical engineer by heart, but I made the switch to the software industry because there is a very disruptive product out there, which is Onshape, a product development platform that includes CAD, data management, and some other things that we will talk about. It is very disruptive, and this title, Cloud Native, this is actually the first disruptive thing here, because we are the only solution that provides a product development platform on cloud-native services based on AWS services. And now, of course, when you walk the floor, you see AI labels basically on every booth. I give you 15 euros if you find a booth that has not AI label on it, right? And we also added this here, and we will talk about this during this session. But first of all, a little introduction what we do. Onshape is basically the first cloud-native product development firm. I said that already, and we have a CAD system. So if you want to design products in 3D, this is actually what a CAD system is. But also the data management, the PDM system, which was in the past 2 different on-premise systems that you had to host, is basically now one unified solution, and it's completely hosted on cloud-native services. So we're the only platform that offers that service in that way. We were acquired by PTC. You may know other products, for example, Creo, Windchill. PTC is a very traditional company in this area. So we have a history of 40 years. In 2019, the Onshape platform is one of the youngest and disruptive technologies and part of PTC. Onshape itself, as a product, is a bit smaller, of course, so we have around 300 employees globally here. I'm responsible for the EMEA region, for a technical side, so I'm basically supporting them from a technical point of view. And we also not just the fastest growing platform in this industry, we're also the fastest growing product inside our company. When you develop products, you basically need to use specific tools, computer-aided design tools, right? And we have here 3 different approaches of technology behind such systems. These systems actually come a long way. So we had started with this traditional file-based software. So you had to install a software on a specific machine, which was very costly because it had to have specific graphics card and things like that. And of course, you only could do your job at this specific workstation where your software was running on. So cloud technology came up, and some of our, of other industries or of other products that do the same thing that we do, they have kind of a hybrid cloud approach. So you have still a file-based system, but they attach the cloud on top of it, where you basically then save files and you push those files into the cloud. This is not what we think is the right way. We are the only, and this is unique to the Onshape technology, we completely run on cloud-native services. So there is no installation needed, there is no maintenance contract, you don't need to install updates, there are no bug fixes, you basically don't have to care about anything from an IT perspective. So you have an absolute zero IT overhead. As long as you run a web browser and you have access to the internet, you can access your data and use your product development tools from any device. It starts from iPhones over iPads, Linux, Chromebook. As long as you have the power actually to run a web browser, you're good to go and you're not tied to a specific workstation with installed software in room 56 in your building, right? So this is the first thing. And the second important thing what you need to understand, these technologies, they save files. And we are the only CAD system out there which uses a database instead of files. So it's not that you save a file and then you do 4 hours of work and then you hit the save button again and then you have stored another file. We basically track every change in the design. So if you add a diameter of a hole, if you change a color, if you apply a material, everything is stored immediately for you. So you basically have then the whole history of your design. This is basically very important when we talk about AI later in this presentation. It's an all-in-one platform. It's not just that you create your 3D models in Onshape. you have the entire data management, including release management, part number generators. This is already embedded into one unified solution, actually. And it's not just CAD and PDM. You have other things like CAM, for example. We have now a CAM system for manufacturing. We have simulation where you can apply static simulations and eigenfrequency analysis. We have a high-end physical render tool. And all this is basically different services on the AWS infrastructure that you basically just access via the web browser. You can manage your bill of materials, right? You have collaboration tools because all of a sudden you're not checking in or checking out files on servers. You basically can just manage the permission and access the same database and see what the others are doing in real time. So our customers love this aspect of collaboration because you're not tied to a waterfall approach where you basically store a file, upload it to a server, and then the next one can carry on. You can do this in parallel now, so this shortens the life cycle and how people basically use our product. There is a whole analytics section where you can pull reports. This is also unique. You have never seen such a thing in a product development platform because you can then see pull reports, which people have access to which data and things like that. And also Onshape has an open REST API. So down the line, you need to connect to other systems. I'm speaking of product lifecycle management systems, ERP systems. I see a couple of vendors there, right? So you basically can use this API and exchange data in both directions. You don't need to copy files out of a system and import it to other systems. It's a seamless transition, actually. The whole thing is hosted on AWS Elastic Cloud. So this enables us, if you need more computing power, you basically get more, right? If another one jumps into your CAD model, you get the double amount of kernels and things like that. So that makes it very powerful, right? You're not tied, you're not limited to a specific workstation anymore into the kernel and graphics card and things like that. Also, we are absolute secure. So I tend to say that data security is one of our core business. CAD data is actually very sensitive data because very often this is the data of the product of the future that earns money for your company at some point, hopefully. That's the ideal situation. So what you don't want to do is to copy files out of your system and attach it to an email and send it to your partner organizations in order to manufacture those. Because then, in fact, it's not your data anymore, right? It's gone. In Onshape, you basically, and this is what you want to have, you have one single source of truth of data, and you just manage the permission what others can do with the data. Either they can edit something, or they can just view it, or you can leave comments and leave some feedback in an early stage on design to shorten this product lifecycle, right? So this is unique, and this solves so many problems. There are other things down the line. It doesn't crash. You don't have corrupt files because we don't have files. So it's super easy and super fearless, actually, for the CAD users to use. Unlimited under redo. No external and circular references that you have to repair all the time. If the software crashes, you have to rework. In Onshape, it doesn't crash because you have several AWS instances running in parallel. And if a kernel crashes, and of course it's software, our software crashes sometimes. CAD is a very complex software, so it tends to crash. The end user doesn't experience that anymore. The worst thing that can happen is that you have to refresh your browser. So you don't have to rework, you save a lot of time, including all this kind of information. And you also here on the right-hand side, you see how the platform looks on an iPhone, where you basically design your break here, and some other guy, wherever he is in the world, in Hawaii, right, accesses and reviews things. You don't have to wait until something comes back, or some colleagues come back to their computer where they have the installed software to release something, for example. They can do that from wherever you are. So this is a big thing. You have access to the data wherever you are, and you can do and access and manipulate your data on any device, basically. This is the few logos that use our software, and what you realize if you look at those logos, you for sure recognize some of them. Our customers basically, they come from all different industries. So on all sizes of companies, from a startup to a NASDAQ-listed company like Garmin or Google or something like that, right? We have med device companies, we have consumer products. So basically all these forward-thinking companies have evaluated their CAD environment and how they design product, and they see a benefit, and this is why they made the switch. So we grow about 7 times faster than the CAD market, and this is basically the best answer you can have, because this proves that this cloud-native service and this approach, it really changes the way how you design things. I designed things my entire life, discovered Onshape, and I wanted to be part of it. That was my story, actually. Because it's not just a different system that you use and you work the same way like you did the last 30 years. The teams really, they collaborate differently, and engineers are always, if you design something, engineers have always been collaborators, because you collect ideas, right? It's like a cocktail. The ingredients of cocktails, they taste something not very good. But if you mix them together, you get a super nice cocktail, right? And so it's a mix of ideas that you have, and it has a very good taste, actually. So this is very similar if you design products. Now we have to talk about AI. Now you understand a little bit that we have a database and everything is tracked for you, what you do inside your design approach. And we have embedded AI already into the product, and we use also AWS service, in this case Amazon Bedrock. And we just started to ship things over time, because we have a major release of our product actually every 3 weeks instead of every year you have to update something or something like that. So what is in the product currently is this thing here on the right-hand side here. It's called the Onshape AI Advisor. At the moment, it doesn't interact with your design. This is why the beta logo is still on it, and we will ship more functionality throughout the year. But basically, this AI Advisor is like your best friend if you develop your product, right? So it can then, when we release it finally, it looks at your model and it helps you how to design things. It sits next to you and says, okay, you have designed this drill here, but there is likely a better approach that you get a more performant model, or you have to use less features and things like that, right? So it can definitely help you to get a high quality CAD model. You can also, of course, ask questions. Can you change this? What is the mass? And things like that. And it can also manipulate the model in the end. And it also can help you how to design things. So you can ask this AI agent, hey, how do I design a configured spring in the compressed state and the relaxed state? And it knows how to do that. And why does it know that? Onshape is the best underlying technology for AI and CAD design because of the database approach. So think of it, you design something, you save a file, then you work for hours, and then you have another state. And the information, how you get from this state of your design to this state of design, is with file-based system is lost. In Onshape, we track every change, so we know how people build their models. If they run into a design issue, we know how they fixed it, right? And this is, of course, ideal for the AI to learn that. And we have hobbyists accounts, so you basically can sign up and use the CAD tool for free, and the data is public, so it's basically if you do bird boxes or something like that in your garage or for your children, right? But the AI can access all these documents because they are public. This is the downside if you have the free account. It's not private data, it's public, but you can use the CAD tool for your bird boxes, and it knows then how to design a bird box and how do you resolve those challenges. That is actually a very important thing about AI in the future and CAD, that we learn from a database instead of a file that is basically done and you have no idea how to get there. We have a booth. So here at the AWS booth, there is a kiosk just on the other side of this big AWS booth. We have Onshape Live. So if you want to have a demo, you can either go there, or in Hall 15, there is the big PTC booth, where we have basically the same what we do here. And we can definitely show you and demo the product to you if you're interested. Also, everyone can try the paid version of Onshape. So there is the so-called discovery program. If you think you want to have a look at it, and this is my last sentence actually, this is a new technology in a very old industry. And my advice always, whatever you do, is if a new technology pops up in the world, have a look at it. It doesn't really matter if you're a medical doctor or if you design products. If there is a new technology, you can't stop it anyway. So have a look at it. Maybe it's helpful. And this is why we have actually released this discovery program where we give access to the software for free for up to 6 months for unlimited users, actually, right? All right, a little introduction into the world of cloud-native product development, and I hope we have some conversations at the kiosk here or at our PTC booth.